Hello. So today I'm going to be doing a video that many people ask. We're under contract, now what? And for those who don't know me, I'm Luciana Rivera, a local realtor here in Tampa Bay area. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing so you can get information like this in the future. Give me a like and share this video with others. So I'm going to give you the 15 steps that I show my clients, which I give it to them like this, put in a folder that I give it to them. And here are the steps. Number one is buyer consultation. Normally, you and your realtor meet at a local office for a buyer consultation to focus on the search, analyzing what you need in the home. Number two would be the mortgage approval. Your realtor introduces you to a mortgage broker who would help you determine your price range. Then once you have the pre-approval, then it's time to view the homes. You and your realtor tours the available homes that meets your criteria that you told them. He and she helps you see the value, the true value, market value in the area, and also notifies you whether new homes match to your criteria. Then number four. Number four would be make an offer. When you're ready, your realtor presents a written offer to the seller. The seller generally accepts your offer and makes a counter offer to, if they're gonna make the counter offer, that would be the time they would make a counter offer, and then the negotiation will begin. Number five would be reach agreement. With your realtor serving as a skilled negotiator, you and the seller agrees on the price and term, including closing costs and settlement date. Number six would be the escrow deposit. So on that contract that you just wrote, you normally have 3 days to put the deposit into an escrow. It's called escrow deposit. So your deposit is placed in a trust account as specified in your contract. And most of the time, here in Florida is a title company. And normally it takes 3 business days after the contract is accepted for you to give them the deposit. Okay, and then we go to number 7, which is schedule a home for inspection. That's when you get the home and the termite inspection are scheduled as required or desired. Should any concern arise, your realtor will help you and the seller resolve them. Then we go to number 8, schedule home appraisal. Your realtor arrange with your lender the home appraisal, which requires whether the home is financed. Of course, if it's a cash buyer, you don't need appraisal unless if you choose so. Okay, then we have number 9, which is the home insurance. We as realtor can facilitate by giving you a list of home insurance company to get quotes from, or you can get it from a family member or friends, and that you choose. But normally we have people that companies that we already worked with. Then there's number 10, which is the home warranty. Your realtor explained the benefits of a home protection plan with its full year of coverage on a specific major system and appliance in your new home. So basically this home warranty, sometimes it's something that you can buy or the seller can get it for you. It all depends on the negotiation as well, but that covers a list of things that I will put it below in the comment of the list of the things of the home warranty covers. Every home warranty is different, but it covers a lot. So it all depends on what you want to do. That's something that if you're going to get that home warranty, now this is the time to get it. Then we have number 11. That is going with the underwriting. Here's where they check your income, employment, assets, the liability, credits, and the rest of the documents. So your mortgage broker got all the information for you, but the one who says so, whether you are going to get that loan or not, that's the underwriting. They decide by looking at all the information that you might have. And even though you've already provided them information, which I have a video that I did, I will put it on the comment below as well. And at the end of this video, of all of the documents that you might need, just in case if you're not there yet. So they will ask for that information again. So be prepared and be ready to resubmit what you've already submit. It's just part of their thing. Sometimes they can't find, they deal with so many people. So remember, they will probably ask for you for that same information again. Now we're going to number 12, which is utilities. Once you have the clear to close, make sure to set up all utilities to a new home. Sometimes you can do that even before you have the clear to close. But once you have, usually you should have the clear to close 3 days before closing, and then you just call all the utilities. Again, I provide a list of my people of all the things that you should, your cable, your light, and stuff like that. You just call and change the water bill. You transferred everything to your name. If for some reason, and let's hope it doesn't happen, but for some reason last minute it doesn't close, you can't qualify for any reason, then you can still call them and cancel it. But at least have that ready and not wait until the day of. And sometimes it's like a Friday. Now you're going to be a weekend without any light or any water because you never called before. So just have that information ready. So then we have number 13. Once you have the clear to close, let's say it's clear to close. Let's say you have the clear to close, and that's the time to transfer the final closing cost amount to the title. Now I say warning on this one, and be very, very, very careful. Due to fraud, please make sure to call the title and confirm the account and that they sent you, to see if it's the correct one. There's a lot of fraud going on, and they can hack into your computer. They can see that you're buying a house and you're going through that process, and they see that through the email you're about to wire funds. So they somehow get the information of the title company you're talking to, and they put it on the bottom and on the top, kind of like the same email and the same information of the title company, but then they go and put in their bank account for you to transfer the wire in that bank account. So people just look at that, take that and run to the bank and wire the transfer. So be real careful. You never know how these hackers are, what they can get access to. So still be careful and still call that company. So keep in mind, keep that phone number somewhere and call them and say, listen, is this your bank account information? I'm going to wire funds. But also remember that your bank should be doing that. Your bank should be verifying that the account that they're sending the money to is that title company, So that was number 13. So then we go to number 14, the final walkthrough. Schedule a walkthrough the day before or the day of closing, depending on which time is your closing. You and your realtor look everywhere inside the around the home, and to make sure everything that's supposed to be there is present and in the condition you expected, which nothing is left behind. Sometimes even a backyard, sometimes people leave garbage. You want to make sure they take all of that. Make sure they didn't leave garbage or anything, or they didn't take that refrigerator that was stainless steel. Now it's a white refrigerator. Hello, what happened? So all of those things, that's the purpose of the walkthrough. And then we're going to, ta-da, the closing day. That's when you sign the mortgage and then all the documents for like an hour or two. The seller gets paid and you receive your deed and the keys. That's the best part. So that's it. I hope this information was useful for you. If you like this information, give me a like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. If you have any comment or any questions, put it below. And thank you so much for watching, and share this video with others. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.